To demonstrate Uniview's new OwlView camera, we will be using a DJI mini drone to record 4K video and compare that to the same time on the new OwlView model. Here you can see where the OwlView camera is mounted on the eave of this house. Moving the camera on the DJI over to video mode does cause it to be darker, but also more accurate to what it currently looks like outside. The time is currently 7:04 p.m. Here is what the camera is currently seeing on the Uniview recorder at the same time. This has been achieved with all of the external lighting modes turned off on the camera. Now we're going to transition back to the drone image. This is a live image that was taken at the same time. I'm moving the drone around so that you can see different parts of the street and just see how dark it is out here. This is not a particularly bright area of San Diego with limited amounts of street lights, houses that are further apart with no high density units. So it's pretty dark all around the city. You can see even as I go up with the drone that you're just really seeing some porch lights and not a whole lot else, which makes for a decent place to test a camera that really highlights the ability to amplify dim lighting conditions into near daylight levels. And how do we achieve this daylight levels even in really dark situations? Uniview uses a new Wise-ISP algorithm that has a 9-step process that you can see here that uses a combination of brightness enhancing, color restoration, white balancing, and denoising that provides an image that is absolutely amazing every time I see it. This 9-step image processing is actually being done in the mountains, so I'm going to show you a little before and after right here. This next part is showing different time captures starting every 2 hours. Here we have 10 p.m., next at midnight. The only light source is a porch light, a single bulb porch light, about 40 feet away from where the camera is currently mounted. If this makes you look at your current surveillance system and think it's time for an upgrade, I can understand why. Please feel free to reach out to us and we'd be glad to assist you in finding the right models to suit your needs.